Once upon a time, in a village in Africa, there lived a person called as Hafiz. He was a villager. No, he was very satisfied with his life. He was a very happy person because he was farming in the morning and having food in the evening, and he was a very fun-filled guy. But one day, a traveler comes to his house. Because it was raining outside, he comes to his house and asks him, Hafiz, can I live in your house for a day until it gets good outside? And Hafiz is like, okay, you can stay with me. Villager, who is Hafiz, gives him a proper treatment, food, beverages, liquor, and they have a talk, and in that talk the traveler tells Hafiz that, see, I'm doing a lifelong research and it's very exciting. I'm doing a research about a unique stone. Hafiz gets curious. He's asking which stone. So he tells, see, I'm looking for a stone called as a diamond. If you find a diamond which is the size of your thumb, then you can buy an entire city. And if you find a diamond the size of your fist, then you can buy an entire country. So Hafiz gets really excited, and that night, after the traveler leaves back to his hometown, Hafiz does not get sleep. He is shocked, he is puzzled. He thinks a diamond might solve all my problems, but he didn't have any problems. So on the same day, he sells his land, cattle, properties, borewell. Well, he sells everything to a nearby trader and he goes off from Africa, Germany, Brazil. Finally, he comes to Spain and he sees that he can't find the stones, he can't find the diamond, and in desperation, thinking himself as a failure, he jumps off in the Barcelona river and he commits suicide. He drowns. On the same day, someone purchases his land, and the same traveler who had met Hafiz a few years back comes back to his home. But he sees that someone else is there. He asks him, can you meet Hafiz? I had met him long time ago. That person says, Hafiz used to stay here, but currently he doesn't live here. He has moved out in search of his diamonds or some stones. He tells, oh, is it? And he tells that I found out that Hafiz passed away because he drowned. He committed suicide. The traveler feels really bad. He thinks that because of me, Hafiz committed suicide. Then he goes inside and all these things, and he keeps having tea, and the new owner was actually feeding his cattle some grass on his field, and there was a small stream from where some shiny rock was there. So he picked it up and he kept it on his table. The traveler sees the stone and says, what is this? What is this? So he's like, it is in my backyard. There are so many stones like this. What it is? Some random stones they are, right? That's it. He tells, no, show me the stones. He goes there, he picks up each and every stone, and they go to a nearby jeweler and he certifies that this is an actual real diamond. And the traveler and the new owner finds out that the home is literally covered with acres of diamonds. Acres. So the farmer Hafiz never thought that he has all these precious stones. Why will they be in my house? He went for the search of these stones to faraway lands, faraway countries, but he forgot to see what was in his house. In his own farm, there were acres of diamonds. Doesn't this happen with all of us also? Sometimes we think the things we want are somewhere outside, but usually the things we want are usually within us. We have all the talents, gifts. So guys, whenever you see some diamonds, right, those things are actually in you. So use your talents, because all these gifts are hidden inside you. You can extract these gifts, work on these gifts, and they will make room for you. They will take you to the next level. So my name is Furqan Sharif. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, smash that like button, smash that comment button, smash that share button, and I will see you next time with a new video. Until that time, see ya.
1, 2, 3